Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious dill pickles. First, gather your fresh pickling cucumbers, ideally 3 to 5 inches in length. Give them a good wash to remove any dirt. Next, trim off both the blossom and stem ends. This helps prevent soft pickles. You can then slice your cucumbers into spears or rounds, or keep them whole if they are quite small. This initial preparation is key for crisp, flavorful results. Now, let's create that perfect pickling brine. Combine water, white vinegar, pickling salt, and your favorite pickling spices in a pot and bring it to a boil. While the brine heats, sterilize your canning jars and lids by submerging them in boiling water for at least 10 minutes. Carefully remove the hot jars and pack your prepared cucumbers tightly inside, adding fresh dill sprigs and garlic cloves to each jar for that classic dill flavor. With your jars packed, it's time to add the hot brine. Pour it over the cucumbers, ensuring you leave 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles, then wipe the jar rims clean and secure the lids finger-tight. Carefully place your jars into a boiling water canner, ensuring they are covered by at least 1 inch of water. Process them for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your altitude. After processing, let your pickles cool completely and then store them in a cool, dark place. For the absolute best flavor, allow them to cure for at least 2 to 3 weeks before opening. This curing time really lets the flavors meld and develop. Once opened, refrigerate any unused pickles. They can last for up to 1 year sealed, providing delicious crunch whenever you crave it. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.